This is how you program your garage door opener to your brand new Jeep Wrangler. All right, so come to the Jeep. We're going to shut the door. Gonna turn the key to the run position without pressing the brake 2 times. 1, 2. All right. Come up here and we're going to clear out this in case there's any other garage doors or anything that's programmed to the Jeep. Press these 2 outside buttons and hold until it starts blinking fast. Right there. All right. Now you want to take your remote. You want to press the button that you want on the remote and press the button you want here at the same time. So press and press. Okay. Now we're going to hold this, keep holding these until it blinks fast. See, it's blinking fast now. All right. Now you want to come to your garage door opener. Press and hold the program button. 1, 2, it's going to turn blue. Now we're going to come back to the Jeep. And we're going to press and hold once. Without. 1, 2, it didn't take. Oh, it just took right there, boom. Sometimes it takes up to 3 times to do that, guys. Sometimes you have to press it 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. So just press it a couple times, all right? But there you go. That's how you program the Jeep Wrangler garage door openers.